In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Firebase account. Firebase is used as a push notification service for your app, and if you choose, allows you to enable Google Analytics to track the metrics of your users. Let's start by clicking Sign In and entering a Google Suite email. If you don't have one yet, you can create one now. Alright, now we're signed into Firebase, we can create our first project. Let's go ahead and do that by clicking Create a Project. Enter a name for your project. I'm going to call mine My App, and click Continue. Now if you want Google Analytics enabled for your app, ensure that the option below is selected and click Continue. If you chose to enable Google Analytics in step 2, now you'll choose or create your Google Analytics account. Go ahead and do that and click Create Project. And I'll be back when this is done processing. Alright, now your project's ready, you can click Continue.